A resident of Manchester is accusing the Mandeville police of physical assault during a domestic dispute. The man says he wants justice. Shamela Pullen has his story.
Christopher Swaby of Greenville, Manchester showed TVJ News what appears to be bruises and swellings all over his hands and eyes. He alleges he was beaten at the hands of the police. He recounted that last week, after returning home from work, he noticed that the back windscreen of his father's car was smashed. He proceeded to ask members of his household what happened, which led to a verbal spat.
While me there and me asked how the car glass broke out of the car now, nobody not talk. It's like everybody play a deaf ears or a dumb to that side. When me have a cousin, she has no fear brother them, and it all start with an argument. It all start up by an argument. Understand? One whole heap of sitting start going like that.
He says he left the house and while on the road he got a call advising him that police officers were on the property looking for him. He arrived to 3 officers.
He asked me something again about gun things. So I said, boss, which gun you talk about? So he said, I'm going to lock me up. I said, what you going to lock me up for? He said, what you ask the police boy? Then they pull the door. When they pull the door now, that's how the fighting start. He start thumping me up in my face. I have to call for my little son in the yard and hold him. All under my neck, squeeze me out, have the handcuff on me and I ring it till it swell.
Mr. Swaby claims one of the officers used the butt of his gun to hit his 6-year-old whom he was holding. He also accused the lawman of attempting to pepper spray him and his child. Mr. Swaby was then taken to the Mandeville police station.
They called me that he's been charged to get bail for him. But the baby mother, his baby mother went there for bailing, and they have her in custody also, even now as we speak.
However, when contacted, head of the Manchester Police Superintendent Shane McCullough told TVJ News Mr. Swaby has yet to make a formal complaint about the assault. He says once this is done, an investigation will be launched. TVJ News understands, however, that Mr. Swaby reported the matter to the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, which is investigating the matter. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.